Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Milani x Ourfa collection. So let me show you guys the box that it came in. Whoop. It looks like we have two kits here. So we have a Monochromatic Realness kit, which is $14.97. Such a good deal. And then we have the Up to No Good kit, which is also $14.97. These look awesome too. I'm surprised that these are only $14. I already know I'm gonna love the Monochromatic Realness kit. These are my tones. But I also think that I love the lip from Up to No Good kit. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Monochromatic Realness kit, at least for the eyeshadow. And then I'll give swatches for both palettes at the end of the video, guys, and both lips and liners. I just wanna get started so I don't slow myself down. Okay, so in the Monochromatic Realness kit that I showed you guys, this palette is called Most Wanted. So I'm gonna use this bronze shade to go all over my lid and in the crease. And then I'm gonna deepen up the crease and the outer corner using the brown. Ooh, these have a lot of pigment, which is awesome. I don't see any fallout either, so that's a good sign. Not that fallout really matters, but I'm also going underneath my eyes with that same orange. Now I'm going into the crease with that cool tone brown. Is it a cool tone? It looks more like a cool tone. Let me see. Yeah, I would consider that a cool tone brown. I'm also gonna do the outer corners of my eyes as well. This will just give it more of like a sultry look. Now I'm gonna go in with that very light champagne-y, like icy shade right here. And I'm just gonna pop this brow out. Ooh. I really want to use this copper shade, but I'm wondering, it's a little dark to put over in my inner part. Maybe I'll go in there with this champagne-y shade. I kind of wish I would have switched it up and done like a cranberry eye look, because that would also be amazing with this palette. I feel like I always just gravitate towards this same eye look because this is just my everyday look. So I like to experiment and be able to see if these are shadows that I would actually wear every single day. But it also is more fun to switch it up. So for now on, I'm just gonna start going out of my comfort zone. But for today, you're gonna have to deal with this boring ass eye look. I'm also gonna use the shade as a highlighter because I love those icy highlighters. Oh, this looks amazing. So I typically just do the tip of my nose and the bridge. Wow, I love this shade as a highlighter. This really is the perfect highlight shade. I really love palettes that have a shade in there that I can use as a highlight because it's perfect for if you're traveling, you can just bring one palette with you, especially if you're just doing a small trip and you don't want to bring your whole makeup collection with you. Yeah, this is beautiful. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna go into the Up to No Good palette, or Up to No Good kit, and I think I'm gonna use, holy shit, I think I'm gonna use this lip because, I don't know, this color is just calling me. So this is Charming. This lip liner is a brown, which I don't typically use brown lip liners, but we're gonna try it. I feel like this will give me a very like 90s lip. Oh, and this lip liner, by the way, is called Saucy Toffee. Ooh, I could go for some toffee. Okay, so since this is a darker color than I typically do, I'm just gonna smudge it a little bit, make it look a little bit more natural. So this lip color turned out to be a little bit darker than I was expecting, but I don't mind it. It's definitely not my style with the darker lip liner, but also I just think it's out of my comfort zone because I don't do it often. But I do like it. Maybe. Yeah, I like that more. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up my makeup off camera. I'll be back to give my final review, and then we'll get into the swatches. Alright guys, this is a finished look. I have my eyeliner and lashes done. I really like this look. I know that I wasn't that crazy about the lip look before, but it's growing on me. But yeah, let me know what your favorite product was in the comments down below, and now we're moving on to the swatches. So these are the swatches from the Most Wanted palette. Oh, I just realized I'm an idiot. Okay, so the swatches, so the palette that I first did, they're both palettes are called Most Wanted, but that first one was Monochromatic Realness, and then this one is Up to No Good. Next up, we have the Tenderness Liquid Lip and Rich Cocoa Lip Liner. And below those swatches, we have the Charming Liquid Lipstick, and then we have Saucy Toffee Lip Liner. So those are all the products, guys. I loved everything that I tried out. I think both palettes are awesome for two different reasons. If you wanted to go for the Up to No Good, it's just more like, it just spices it up a little bit with like the pink and the purple. And then if you're looking for more of a neutral, I would definitely go with the Monochromatic Realness kit. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.